Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you about the smart wake or smart controls on your Realme phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, so here the first thing is that you have to move on setting. After you move on setting, from here you have to scroll on down, and here you can see this is the smart control. So how you can use this smart control set, right? So to use it, just tap on smart control. After that, from here you can see the first option is the smart awake, and if you tap on the smart awake, and here if you off your screen, then from here you can tap any of the screen. Okay, you just off again and tap any of the screen on the corner, on the middle, or on the corner. Okay, so your screen will be wake up. Okay, and if you off this one, then your screen will not be wake up. Okay, so this is about the smart awake. And if you want to use this smart awake, you just click on this icon and no need to use this button icon or power button. Okay, and here you can see the second option is still left to check phone. Okay, to check time, notification and other information, pick up your phone. So just click on this icon, and if you want to check the time or notifications or other information, you just need to pick up your phone, and your phone will be left up to check your phone. Okay, suppose here you are going to just check your phone, okay, like this, then here your phone will be on. Okay, it will be on by itself. It will give many informations. Okay, and here this one also you can use, and here's the smart motion. If you want to use this smart motion, activate this one, and from here you can see easy answer, pick up the device and close to URL and to answer incoming call. So here it's easy, you just need to pick up your call, incoming call, and put your ear this sensor, then after that your call will be automatically received by itself. Okay, the incoming call. And here you can see the easy bell, pick up the device when it's ringing, ring will waken and device will vibrate. So this will vibrate. Okay, it will waken and vibrate. Okay, so there is many options. Here is a mute incoming calls, you can mute also, play control. Okay, if you want to use, you can use this one also. And the last option is the pocket mode. Here is a smart control when device is in pocket. So whenever you will put inside your pocket your mobile phone, your mobile phone will be off. Okay, it will be in the off mode options because this is the pocket mode. Okay, so this is about the smart controls. Hope you love it, hope you love the video. If you love the video, do not forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. And friends, thanks for watching. Bye.